In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install community themes in Obsidian, giving your note-taking workspace a complete visual makeover. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To get started, launch Obsidian on your device and open the vault you want to customize. Once you're inside, look to the lower left corner and click the Settings gear icon. Wait for the Settings panel to open fully, then select Appearance from the left sidebar. This is where all of Obsidian's visual controls live, so take a moment to review the available appearance settings. Scroll down in the appearance settings until you reach the Themes section. You'll see a Manage button there, which is your gateway to hundreds of community-created designs. Click that Manage button and wait for the Community Themes gallery to load. This built-in browser lets you scroll through themes, explore different styles and layouts, and find something that suits your taste. If you already have a theme in mind, use the search bar at the top to look for names like Minimal, Cat Puxin, or Dracula. When you find a theme that catches your eye, click on it to preview its screenshots and read the description. Take your time here. Read any notes the developer has provided, because some themes come with specific instructions or recommended plugins. Once you've chosen a theme, click either Install or Install and Use. Wait for the download to complete, then click Use if necessary, and you'll see Obsidian update its appearance immediately. Now that your theme is applied, open several notes to examine how the sidebar, editor, and menus look. You can further refine the experience by returning to appearance settings and choosing a base color scheme, light, dark, or adapt to system. If you want to compare options, reopen the theme browser and test a few different themes before settling on one you love. Some themes recommend companion plugins like style settings for deeper customization. Install those recommended plugins if you want to adjust fonts, colors, spacing, or layout options. Then check for any theme-specific settings once they're installed. Keep in mind, the community themes do not update automatically, so periodically go back to Appearance and check for available updates. If you ever accumulate themes you don't use, open Manage again and uninstall them. And if you ever want to return to Obsidian's default look, simply open the theme browser and select Stop using this theme. You've now successfully installed and customized community themes in Obsidian. Combine themes, plugins, and appearance settings to build a personalized workspace that improves your comfort, readability, and productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.